We take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers that we have reached 650 subscribers and 3,25,000 views. And today the topic is stop elder abuse. Yesterday's youngsters are today's old men. So Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi, these are the distresses of this world. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi Dukkha Dhoshana Darshan. These are the problems which we face in our life, and family stress, elder abuse, separation, addiction, so many issues we face in our life, marriage life. So selfishness, because of selfishness also we face a lot of problems in our life. I and mine, this mentality is a problem. Selfishness of the demands, selfish demands causing various disturbances in the society. I and mine, this mentality is a very dangerous mentality. Because of that we suffer in various ways, and they become very violent with brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law. They nephew, niece, they become very violent, they cheat, they're very greedy, angry, lusty. I and mind, this mentality is very dangerous mentality. Because of that they suffer, their entire family will suffer, their dynasty will suffer. And so they are addicted to meat eating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex. These are the four pillars of adharma, irreligion. The government is running because of this adharma, toxic relationships, toxic daughter-in-law. So they call, they cheat, they commit various frauds, and separation, financial problems, family problems, and health problems, and social consequences of toxic daughter-in-law, separation, addiction, political corruption, illegal kangaroo court, injustice. So rights, so there are various rights for the citizens, senior citizens: freedom from abuse and neglect, respect and dignity, healthcare and medical assistance, financial support and security, right to live independently. So they have their own rights. Senior citizens also have the rights. Yesterday's youngsters, today's senior citizens have various rights. So youngsters should respect that. And rights of children. Their children have rights for safety, protection, health, nutrition, education, play, rest, freedom from abuse and exploitation. So protect children, know their rights. So elders absorb fair treatment and protection. So children should be given their rights of education, right to food, clothing, shelter. That much be given to them. So children have certain rights, elders have certain rights. So it's a duty to protect children and help them grow in their career, marriage, education. So I got the opportunity to get very well educated and at least primary high school. Then so protect children, they have their rights, they will protect you. Today you protect your children, tomorrow your children will protect you. That's how the reciprocation, that's how the relationship. So there are various issues we face, and various institutions they support us. Government has various departments that is supporting us. Various department like National Commission for Women, National Human Rights Commission, National Legal Services Authority. They are providing us various services, protection, support, assistance. So National Commission for Women, for women's rights, National Women's Rights Commission for rights of us human rights, National Legal Services regards to uh, legal support, legal aid from harassment, threat, death threat, violence, physical domestic violence, and successfully published 15 non-fiction books and become internationally famous author, speaker, astrologer. And his books, non-fiction books, are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Notion Press, Ingress, various retail websites worldwide. So devotees are requested to purchase these books and support our cause. Education is very essential. Instead of becoming violent, take to the path of education, which is saving us. If you are, no matter how hard someone is trying to drag you down, if you are determined, you can achieve your goals. Don't take to the path of religion, violence. Instead, take to the path of education and devotion. So this is surely going to last longer. Your health is your wealth. There may be many conspiracy against you, there may be violence against you, there may be hypocrisy in their behavior with you. So have zero negativity, 100% positivity. If you're determined, you can achieve your goals. Don't take to the path of religion, violence. Thank you.